Hello dear students, welcome in our LJP Electrical YouTube channel. In this session, I would like to explain basic meaning of troubleshooting and which type of special instruments used in troubleshooting in the subject of electrical installation, commissioning and maintenance. Let's discuss content of our session. First one is troubleshooting and second one is major instruments are used in troubleshooting. Now we will see the meaning of troubleshooting. As we know, there is a possibility of occurrence of fault in electrical equipment due to an internal or external causes during its run when the regular maintenance is carried out. Fault may be occur due to various reasons. For example, causes of increased current by motor may be overload, reduced voltage, jamming of bearing, rubbing of rotor with stator, etc. So, it is necessary that the fault finding may be done in logical sequence. The fault can be traced and cleared easily when such procedure is established. The process of tracing the fault by logical sequence and clearing it is known as the troubleshooting. Now our next lesson is about major instruments which is used in troubleshooting. First one is multimeter. AC and DC current and voltages, resistance can be measured with the help of multimeter. Open circuit, short circuit and earth fault etc. in the winding can also be detected with the help of multimeter. Here you can see its figure and various range of resistance, voltages and current can be measured with this multimeter. Second one is Megger. You can see here its image. Generally, continuity of the winding, open circuit, short circuit and earth fault and insulation resistance etc. can be tested with the help of Megger. Now third one is tongue tester. As you can see here, first one is image of digital tongue tester and the second one is main diagram of tongue tester. It is used to measure the alternating current flow through the conductor without breaking the conductor. You can see in its diagram there is a split core type transformer. One end of the core is open by pressing the handle. Supply wire is passed through the core and handle is released. Then ammeter joined in the secondary winding, it measures and indicates the current. Then fourth one is grower. It is generally used to find internal short in armature winding, interlock short defect in commutator segments, etc. Here you can see this is its figure. Fifth one is dial gauge. Air gap between stator and rotor is measured with dial gauge. It is also used to check the wear and tear of bearing and shaft. Now, here are some figures of other instruments. First one is voltmeter. It is used for measurement of power. Second one is hydrometer. It is used for measurement of specific gravity of the electrolyte of the storage battery. Then spring balance. It is used for spring pressure on the commutator and slip ring. Other is spirit level and it is used to check the level of the machine. So dear students, we are ending this session here and I will be here again with new topics and new information. I hope you like this video and thank you for watching.
If you like this video, please subscribe and like our YouTube channel LJB Electrical. And don't forget to click on the bell icon to get latest video update fast.